Hi, welcome to this video. My name is Davey, and I'm going to show you something really cool, and that could actually be quite frustrating when you see it for the first time. TypeScript is beautiful, and you're gonna see why, or maybe not. Okay, let's go. You see here I have a piece of code that is basically a set of route, right? Just an array of route, and then you can see that I have the route that are being listed right here. Okay, so in TypeScript, yeah, you just type it saying, hey, this is a type, and then route, it takes a href and then a label. Okay, now I'm not sure why TypeScript is complaining here, right? That's like there is something. Why is this red? So when you look at it, it's complaining and says that the type first, this type here and undefined. That there is something undefined here that I don't see. I don't understand why that undefined is there. So when you read these errors, when you go further in that error, it tells you undefined is not assignable to type route. And you go, why? Why is that? So it took me a bit of time to look around and then realized that I made a little mistake, just a little mistake. And I give you 5 seconds to find that mistake. Yeah, put it in a comment. But you're going to see that depending of your settings in the tsconfig file, you could have missed that. It's not like something really penalizing for your code, but it's something when it's there, you might just miss it completely. So let me show you. Right here, if I go inside my tsconfig and I turn the strict to false, so it was at true, and I turn it to false, you're going to see that my playground doesn't complain anymore. Okay? So what really happened? What happened is like when you have strict in the tsconfig at false, or just when it's not there, your TypeScript code is it's behave a little bit in a strict, so it means that the opposite of it means it's not like soft, I would say, strict, soft, not sure about that, but you see my point there. If you've been doing TypeScript for a while, I hope that you're using the strict version, because it allows you to see the little things that are in your code that you probably don't see by not using a strict. Okay, so let me show you now that I put back the strict true. What the hell is the problem here? What really is the thing that is not working? Well, long story short, it is something so subtle that you could spend hours looking for it, unless you have a good like configuration for prettier or this kind of thing. So let's go on line 15. Right here, we see that we have two commas. So what TypeScript is saying is, because you use strict right there, it assumes that right there in the middle there is something undefined. It assumes that there is something undefined here. So when I remove that second comma, see, the error is gone. So if we read again the error and we put back the second comma, we're going to see that it's mentioning the fact that undefined is not assignable to type route, which, yeah, it is not really. So that's basically the little finding here. So the main lesson there is, first, use in your tsconfig, use strict true, especially if you've been doing already TypeScript for a while. The second one is, well, that error there, that thing there, with a good prettier linter configuration, you could have just remove it automatically without even seeing it, right? So that's it for this video. Hopefully that was clear, and I will see you on the next one. I have actually something really cool the next video, so just check the link in the description and you will find the next video if it's ready. If not, just subscribe and you get it whenever it's right there. Cheers.